to feed the horses. We got Cruiser and June coming in first. Allie's gonna open the gate for them. Here comes Cruiser. Come on, go there. Nope, right there. Good boy. Now Miss June's next. You gotta go around. Good girl. Come on. Alright, leave the kittens alone. They don't need you. This grain that we took with June to the vet, so I'm going to mix her normal grain and just put a little bit of that with it as well. Going to do her normal scoop of this. And since this isn't as good, I'm going to do like 3/4 of this one and then mix it together. Alright, that's all mixed up, so June is ready, and Mr. Cruiser is being kind of impatient. He wants his too. Alright, Cruiser gets a scoop and a half. I give him like this much of this grain. Is that okay? Feel? He's trying to eat it already. Gotta mix it together. He's eating her contraption that we made for her special today. Crazy dude. He's gonna want his. Look at that, feller. Can't even wait for me to put it down. Alright, so they're good. Tiny is always the last one up, but he gets a scoop. Then we're gonna do like a half, just so we can use this thing. I'm trying to get it all mixed together. We'll do like a half of that. Needs mixed together. He's got his now, and Delilah's always kind of jealous. He's done, and so is Tiny wherever he went. Back in here, and he's done too.